Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Mike's Diner. Yeah, I know it's been a long time, but let's get right into it, okay? Had no idea what I was going to make today. I smoked some chicken yesterday. Check it out. It was on the smoker for about 5 hours. Nice pieces of chicken. I wanted to make a chicken burger, so what I ended up doing is I went ahead and pre-sliced all up in skinny slices like that. You see how nice that is? And I'm going to put them over here. Dump them in the pan real quick. Get them start to warm up. I bought a tub of macaroni salad to go on the side. Now I'm going to show you my dressing. Now you can use this dressing on anything. Regular hamburgers, turkey, it doesn't matter. I'm going to try it on the chicken today. I've never tried it on the chicken before. First thing we're going to do is add some tomato ketchup. Then we're going to put just a glove of relish. How much? I don't know. Put as much as you like. As much as you like to taste. Big spoonful of mayonnaise. Not too much vinegar. This is vinegar. You don't want to put a lot of that. Just a little bit like that. Okay? And then black pepper. Mix that together. Now on that relish, make sure it's dill relish, not sweet. You don't want sweet. Just get regular dill. It's almost like making your own Thousand Island, but I think it tastes a little bit better. See the way it looks? You got that relish in there. That's going to go on top. Then, I like to cut up lettuce. And I have romaine lettuce here that I'll just take a little piece from. And then I'll chop that down to little pieces. And this is going to go on top as well. Okay guys, I'm basically just warming up those slices real good. I have those in there for about 2-3 minutes, warming up real good. It don't take long because they're thin. And now I have, you find in the stores, they're already pre-cut carrot and cabbage. They come real thin. I just grab a kind of a handful. Again, we're going to warm that up a little bit. At the same time, I'm going to go ahead and put a piece of cheese, but I'm going to do it a different way. I'm going to put it in the frying pan, fry it up till it's bubbly, and then I'm going to wipe it up with the bun. And you can use whatever kind of cheese you want. We're going to use American for today. Thick American. That's coming along real well. It don't take long for it to cook up, and you can see the cheese already starting to warm up really good. Now right when you get about this, like this, where all the bubbles are coming through and you can see the corners are pretty brown, that's when go ahead and turn it off. And let that keep cooking a little bit. Get back in there. Okay, that chicken looks really good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come in here and we're going to scoop this up. Kind of turn with it and go just like that. See how that looks on there? Beautiful. Then we're going to come over here with our dressing. We're going to put that dressing on there. As you can see, I'm putting a lot. Then we're going to come into here. And we're going to build the burger. Okay. Just like that. Then we're going to take our top of the bun and we're going to do 8 seconds in the microwave. I could warm it up there, but I'm just going to do 8. It's quicker. Okay, the bun's done. Now we're going to come over here and we're going to also do the top. We're going to make sure we get that taste throughout that chicken. Okay? Then we're going to get a little bit handful of the lettuce that you already cut up and put it right on top. Then you're going to come through with the top of the bun. So you're going to come on over here, dump the rest, give it a serving of macaroni to go with it. And there it is, guys. I know it's been a while, and it's good to be back. As you can see, how long did this take? Didn't take that long. And I was creative with my own dressing that I put on here, as you saw. It's a wheat bun, chicken. You know, like I said, your wife's at work. She's going to be coming home right now. And you have the ability to do this, even if you don't smoke the chicken. It could be a regular patty or a turkey patty. Just go ahead and try to work on that and get that done. It's been great having you back here in the kitchen. I look forward to seeing you again. I got the producer, director, videoing it. You know how hard it is to get him here. I hope you enjoyed this. You can have whatever side what you want. Welcome back. Good to see you. God bless you, and we'll talk to you later.